Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the post office travel card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, first of all, it's important for you to understand that the post office travel money card is a prepaid MasterCard that is used for spending abroad, and it works like a physical or digital payments card. However, adding it to the Apple Wallet depends on whether it supports Apple Pay integration or not. So you need to first of all start by opening your Apple Wallet application on your iPhone. Then tap on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now on the next page, you need to select the option of debit/credit card. Then after selecting the option, you need to scan your post office travel card or enter the details manually. Then you need to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to verify your card, which may include a one-time password or the verification via the registered mobile number. At this point, Apple will attempt to verify the card with the issuing provider. So if the post office travel card supports Apple Pay in your region, the card will be added successfully and it will be ready to use. Now, as I told you earlier, in many cases, this travel card does not support Apple Pay integration. And if that happens to you after doing this step, you will see a message that the card cannot be added to the Apple Wallet. So it simply means that you will need to continue using the physical card, or you need to manage it via the official application or the website. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.